Language. This is made by clay, tone. This is made by clay, and clay is very good because it keeps the temperature for a long time. So at the early morning, when they will make a fire on it, then they are gonna to prepare the dough. They are using wheat flour, salt, yeast, water. They mix them all very well, and after they are waiting around 1.5 hours up to 2 hours. After that, they are ready to start bread baking. So they put on it, and after 7 maximum 10 minutes, bread is baked, ready and very tasty. So definitely the lady, she will show us how to do it, and they are preparing around 300 up to 200 bread per day.